Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are well. Today we will learn the ayat number 16 and 17 of Surah Al-Baqarah with Tajweed. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you want that your child learn Quran Majid with proper Tajweed and Qiraat, then contact us on our WhatsApp number. So let's start our lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة أولئك. Stretch the lam because it has a long mud and standing fatha sign. And the next zal. Zal pronounced softly. This one zal pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. Nashtara wuzghalalata. This one is not zwad, it's dwad. Nashtara wuzghalalata bilhuda. Huda. This one ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. فما ربحت تجارتهم وما كانوا مهتدين. Ra has a green color, both Ra has a green color and Fatha sign. So we bold it. وما كانوا مهتدين. مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا. مثلهم. Tha pronounced softly. Tha pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. كمثل الذي. Tha also pronounced like a tha. توقد نارا قاف. This one qaf pronounced boldly, and every word in the Rangeen Quran Majid with green color pronounced boldly. Ra has two fatha sign, but we stop here and doesn't pronounce two fatha sign because next to ra is jim, little jim. It means we need to stop here. So we pronounce like nara. فلما أضاءت ما حوله. Falamma. Meme has a pink color and shad min tashdid. So we do gunna here, and it also has a mud, so we stretch it. Adaat dwad. Dwad pronounced boldly because it has a green color and it also has a mud, so we stretch it up to 5 alif because it is a long mud. Ma hawlahu. This one ha pronounced from the middle part of the throat. ذهب الله بنورهم. Allah pronounce Allah boldly because the word before Allah has a fatha sign. So we bold it. ذهب الله بنورهم. Here we doesn't bold ra because ra has a kasra sign. When ra has kasra sign, we doesn't bold ra. بنورهم وتركهم. Here ra has a fatha sign, so we bold it. وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون. So this lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.